Hello again. So this time of year, although it's cold or cooler, buzzing around me, you can still see behind me that the bees are coming and going, and you will see bees around if you look. But obviously what they're doing at the moment is looking for water. They are looking for any forage if they can find it. What else are they doing? And going to the toilet, emptying their guts. Got to do that. And if it's a really, really good colony, and if they've got enough stores, then they'll actually be doing a bit of house cleaning as well. So if there's any dead bodies, any dead larvae that need to be shifted, that all gets shifted out, because obviously that could go mouldy and possibly infect, cause a bacterial infection throughout the throughout the hive. Stood right in their flight path. I can actually see them coming and going, but they are. So have a look around. If you're walking out and about and around, you'll see you will see flowers. Just walking around here today, I've come across some buttercups, pink campion. There's some wild basil. Not sure if it's wild basil or heelwell. There's some cow parsley. There's some sort of variety of wild dandelion that's growing. I've seen some flowering sorrel. But yeah, so there's plenty of bits and bobs around. There might not be a great deal of nectar or pollen in there, but potentially they may go to it. But clearly they're coming and going, so they found something somewhere. So they're going that way. So don't know. But there you go. So you'll see a few photos of the plants that I found.